Hey guys, today I'll be eating. I made me a new onion ball. And I have 3 eggs. That's what I'm gonna be eating. And talking to you guys. And then you wanna join me? Lord and him, but she on the opposite side. Over there. Okay. It looks so delicious. So delicious. Let me show y'all. So delicious, so delicious. Let me get to eating this thing because I ain't eat all day. And I'm a little hungry. I need some water. Best thing, let me try this. My first time trying this. So let me see. It's all about that.
What's the name of Versace?
Dang. Huh? What you said? You
chairs like that? Yeah, what you doing? No.
It's hot.
I'm talking about bro.
Wait.
I had to put that part out. Whew. What is y'all doing? Can't even make a video, guys. Well, put me to it here. No. If I can get to it, two, I'm gonna eat two. Right now, oh, this is good, guys. Y'all need to try it. If you haven't tried it yet, it's real good. My Lord over there trying to eat them. I'm getting burnt. Why you want a spoon back? And that little piece of egg. A little juice off of that onion on there. Bring it up. Look at that. Baby. That's the shit not it. That is the shit not it. You hear me? Good combo. Let me blow it for y'all. Yeah. Yep.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, I got paper dishes. Cause I ain't washing no dishes. I wash utensils. Dishes, not many. Hey, let me put a little piece of onion on top of this. Okay, there you go. It's good. It is rough.
That's what he needed.
What? You need yours and just talking about
Mine is so like butter. I'm not saying put no seasoning on.
Mine's good. That's sweet. It's salty. Buttery. Real good. Oh, and I went and got my onions from Sam's. They got the big sweet onions in the bag for like $5.85. Good deal. Okay, Simona. Make you some. All I did was put some onions up in here to make some different. See, y'all always fucking up. I put some onions and maybe some sauce on the side for my eggs. Put a little of my dip on this side. Oh, hot. Onion on onion. Onion on onion. I think what this is a smart person. That's why I was reading. Pescatarians. Don't forget about them. I'm gonna try the cabbage next time. That's good. You know it's good when you don't drink that much.
Yeah, nigga. Get up there, nigga. Oh, you see how Jay used to take me?
I gotta make a video for y'all. Y'all so disrespectful, ear manners, with no manners. I got a piece of this one. I got one more. What's going on in my lighting? Might be just me. Y'all, it was good. Damn, what's up? Yeah, that was real good. I really enjoyed it. And kiss me on my next mukbang. Peace out.